Today, me and Exploding Twisting are back with more BeamNG, but today we're doing Flood Escape, so stay tuned to see who will come out on top and who will sink.
Yay!
Underscore start. Okay, right, and in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa.
Not hit me.
Brake checking you right now. And if you crash, just reset in place, but if you fly off, then I think you're good. I think that's fair.
No! Go, drive!
Oh, I flew off. I think I'm gonna use a little, I'm gonna use the, one road reset. So if you fly off, you get one reset back onto the road. There we go.
Drifted.
Oh god.
Wait, are you behind me?
Yeah, but by 700 feet.
No, not the pothole again! Come on! No, drive! Come on, drive!
Oh.
Drive!
Come on, bro. You can do it. Oh, jeez.
No, the tree!
Bro, like...
Oh, no, drive!
Oh! No! Oh!
Wait, did you fly off?
Yeah, I flew off. Oh, bro is like barely gonna make it over that bridge. Uh-oh. Ah, you have been consumed by the flood. I mean, that was a really quick round, so... Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! This is the custom vehicles round. We get to use our own custom vehicles on a different gravity, because if we use them on Earth gravity, it would be the most painful experience. And you get another 3-minute long round, so... Oh, careful, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, wait, I hit tree.
Yeah, then you hit me. What's these, reset in place? Oh, you can't reset in place with this thing. On the hill. Oh, come on. No! This is so painful! I can see the flood rising. I'm nearly doomed to
I have to be of the speed bump. No, not speed bump, the pothole.
My joystick seem to hit it all the time.
Just damaged my ring. No. fastest time I escaped this crater was 10 minutes and 47 seconds.
Oh, right, yeah, good time then. Have you been recording it with a replay?
Yeah,
Oh, nice.
yeah, 120. We're doing!
Push until don't spin. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna have to use my one reset back onto the road because I have fallen off.
I actually haven't used that one yet.
I'm gonna have to do it up here though, because if I'll wait for you, but I'm gonna have to do it on here because if I do it on a big slope, I will definitely die.
Go.
Is it actually a shortcut? Well, we'll see.
I put my front wheel.
Oh, big potholes here.
Which I've just gone full send into.
Nice.
I can still fly off the cliff and respawn because I haven't used reset yet.
These vehicles, I don't know if
No matter how carefully I drive, I always damage my oil.
I mean, you're doing some big bumps there. Oh, someone else has joined the server. No! Scandalous. Yeah, I had a bit of a technical problem here, but I'm good. I'm just going by the gas station right now.
Wait, am I in the lead?
You are in the lead, yes. Oh yeah, of course, it's a race to the top as well. I completely forgot about that.
I'm doing some extreme bounces.
Hopefully the GZNL guy doesn't reset the flood. But at this point, I think the flood's just a visual thing, right? Or have I spoken too soon here and it's actually going to kill us?
So, if you do a replay, then you reset the flood, it doesn't show up.
Ah!
Is my spoiler still there?
God. It's done the thing where I can't reset on hill.
We've nearly made it.
Oh, it's gonna be close, it's gonna be close. Oh, I'm gonna have to... No! I don't know if this thing can't do the hills.
I can't see anything.
Come on, go. Go, my son. I created you for one thing only, and it was speed.
Oh, there's a rock section.
Oh, it's this bit with the, mud. Oh, I don't know what your car's gonna do on this.
Terrible, terrible, terrible. Drive!
I think we both just reset past this.
Yeah.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
No, why are you spin?
Oh, these hills, man, these hills.
You're more reckless than I would like to.
Oh no! Go, go, go!
No! Drive! Drive! Drive!
Oh, I was getting bogged down at the end. Never mind, never mind. Wow, that was an epic race right there. If you want to see more flood escape, do summit, and I will catch you next time. Bye.